So if you're a real estate agent and you're not going after FSBO listings, you're genuinely leaving so much money on the table. These are people that have already decided to sell, but they don't want to pay the commission. And look, the agents that win these listings are the ones that reach out with something that actually feels personal. But let's be honest, the problem is finding them, researching each property, and writing a personalized email for every single one. That takes forever. So today I'm going to show you how you can automate the entire thing inside of Twin. So all you're going to do is go into Twin and type in find 3 for sale by owner listings in Phoenix, Arizona from Zillow. And again, just change the location that you're in depending on what you want to target, and draft a short personalized outreach email for each one with your name. So we'll put Sarah Marshall and your company name at Compass Realty, and then save them as drafts in Gmail ready to send. It's literally that simple. So in plain English, you just describe what you want, and then Twin will go ahead and do it for you. And that's it, by the way. You don't have to write some complicated prompt. You just have to explain in plain English what you want, and there's no zaps or N8N workflows involved in this entire process. So look, as you can see, Twin's already confirmed that this is a well-scoped request, and it's just going to go ahead and start actually doing the work. All it's doing now, as you can see, is it's scraping Zillow directly. And by the way, you don't need a Zillow account or an API key to do anything for this. Twin will just handle the entire thing. Now look at this, it's already found those listings in just a few minutes, and it's actually given us the top 3. So we can actually review these, and it actually asks us to essentially confirm them before we move forward. So we can go ahead and look, does the address look correct? The price, the bed and baths, the square footage, the type, the days that it's been on Zillow, which is obviously great information to have, and also the Zillow link as well. So I'd say all of these look pretty good. So we're just going to click approve and then go ahead. And now at this stage, you can see that Twin is now asking us to authenticate our Gmail. And literally this is a one-click integration. You don't need to do any setup to do this. And once you've done this once, any other future automations that you want to do will just use the same Gmail, unless you obviously specify otherwise. So it's really that simple. But for the sake of the video, I'm actually just going to collect the emails right here inside of the Twin chat, just so that we can review them and make sure that they're good. And by the way, with Twin, while we're working on this automation, we could have a completely separate automation that's working in the background as well. There's literally nothing stopping us from starting multiple automations at the same time and then just clicking through the different tabs to make sure that this is working. And look, it's actually gave us some of the draft emails. So let's go ahead and check that they're good. So it says, hey there, I noticed your multifamily property at, and then it has the address, just hit the market. And I wanted to reach out personally. Then there's a little bit of information about the actual property itself, and has the price as well. And what I like here as well is it says, as a local Phoenix real estate expert with Compass Realty, I specialize in maximizing returns on investment properties just like yours. I'd love to offer you a complimentary competitive market analysis to ensure you're positioned correctly in the market. Would you be open for a quick 15-minute call or a coffee meeting this week? I'm confident that I can add value. That's super cool. And obviously you can see that it's also got her name at the bottom, the name of the company, and her phone number, which is great. And the best part is now, because Twin allows you to send free emails as part of your free membership, you can actually just use this to fully automate it. So these emails are drafted, we found the listings, and literally all we have to do from here is just click a button, and then we can set it on a schedule so that this is going to be going out every single week. On top of that, at any moment, if we wanted to make a completely custom dashboard, we could also do that too. And we know how hard this stuff can be, but it's going to do it all inside of Twin, and it's going to have the automation already pre-built there. So look, like I said, if you're not doing FSBO listings, then you are missing out. And this is a quick, 3-minute thing that you can do with Twin to start actually getting some more lead flow in your real estate business. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.